Have you ever felt overwhelmed and confused when you first explored real estate investing? Maybe you're going about it the wrong way. So let me introduce to you the D.A.S.H method that will make your journey easier and more rewarding. I'm Edric Maguan, and this is The Real Deal. Welcome to my channel. I'll be sharing with you real stories and practical investment strategies so you can have the confidence to start and grow your real estate investments today. Most first-time investors tend to jump into property exploration right away and end up with too many considerations, feeling overwhelmed and second-guessing. So before you spend all that time and energy looking at so many properties, here's a framework to help you simplify the process and guide you to make the right investment decision. If you spend more time on this, I guarantee you finding the right property will just be a breeze. I call this the D.A.S.H method. Dream, afford, strategy, highest return. First, be clear with your dream. Always begin with the end in mind. What do you want to accomplish from investing in real estate? Is your dream to build and grow your wealth? Or are you planning to retire early and live on passive income? Or maybe you just want to have an additional source of income. Once you've figured it out, it's time to determine how much you can afford. What is your budget for your spot cash and monthly payments? Your financial capacity determines how realistically and how quickly you can achieve your dream. Can you afford to buy ready-for-occupancy properties now? This usually requires a spot cash of at least 30% of the price. If not, you may consider pre-selling properties that usually don't require a huge spot cash payment. In any case, when assessing your capacity, don't just look at your current earnings, but also consider your long-term earning potential so that you open yourself up to greater opportunities. Now the next step is to make a strategy. What is your action plan to achieve your dream? Will you invest long-term or flip properties? What property types, condos or lots? In which locations will you invest? And the answers depend on your dream or goal. For example, if your dream is to grow your wealth, then you have to invest long-term and build a real estate investment portfolio that will give you the right balance between capital appreciation and cash flow. If you just want to have additional income, then you may consider flipping properties for a quick profit, or having 1 or 2 rental properties may be enough. Lastly, shortlist the properties that fit into your strategy and budget and choose the one with the highest return. What are the key metrics that you want to look at when evaluating your options? One of the most important metrics is the return on investment. That is, how much capital gains and cash flow you will be able to generate for every peso you invested. Or if you're investing in rental properties, you want to look at the net cash flow and the rental yield of each property. Just make sure that the metrics align with achieving your dream. When it comes to real estate investing, always start with the D.A.S.H method so you can dash your way towards greater success. And if you need help in defining your strategy and getting the right property for you, send me a message or sign up for a free consultation with me by the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time!